In this video, I'll share with you how to dye your grey hair naturally. We're going to make a dye for brown to dark hair, and in the next video, I'll share a dye for light hair. For this recipe, we're going to need coffee beans ground or just ground coffee directly. Make sure that the label in the ingredients section says 100% coffee or just coffee with no additives. We're going to use 2 tablespoons. Clove is rich in antioxidants such as eugenol, which strengthens hair follicles and prevents hair loss. We're going to grind 2 tablespoons of clove. With coffee, we're going to get a beautiful brown or mahogany color. Depending on your base color, it helps to add shine and softness. We add 250 milliliters of water and cook for 5 minutes. After it starts boiling, let it cool a little and strain it using a strainer and cheesecloth. Cocoa will strengthen the color of your hair. It also has emollient properties, which can help moisturize your hair and prevent dryness and split ends. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And 2 tablespoons this time of instant coffee. Cornstarch or corn flour helps reflect light on the hair, which gives it a shinier and healthier appearance. We add a tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour, mix everything very well. You'll get a beautiful brown color from the very first use. We're going to cook it over low heat, stirring constantly until we get a creamy mixture. We pour into a container and let it cool a little. The amount of mixture we prepared is enough for short to medium hair. We add a heaping tablespoon of coconut oil. We add a tablespoon of almond oil or olive oil. We add a tablespoon of celery oil. We add a tablespoon of almond oil or olive oil. We're going to mix the ingredients very well. I would really like to know where you are watching us from. We add apple cider vinegar, which is an excellent color fixative. 2 tablespoons, thank you. We generously apply the mixture to the hair and cover it with aluminum foil or a hair cap. And then we put on a towel to generate a bit of heat. Let it work for 2 hours or more and wash your hair as you always do. Thank you. Thank you.